We live in a new era of technology. It feels like every day devices are getting smaller, faster, and lighter. It's an era where you don't have to open a search engine anymore. You can use the AI in your PC. An era where 30 million PowerPoint presentations are created every day. Where you can lose yourself in other worlds with your favorite game. And an era where we are reliant on PCs more than ever. And they need to be accessible, productive, and versatile to make our everyday easier more than ever before. This is great, and with that comes a bunch of questions like, what even is Copilot? Is a Surface Pro a tablet or a PC? How could I make that spreadsheet faster? Or why do PCs now have NPUs? We've all had moments where we've needed answers like this. However, the real fun is understanding those answers so we can make our lives easier. That is our goal. We are ExpertZone UKI. Join us weekly as we delve into new features, how devices, software and services work, how they could make your life easier and save you time by sharing how we use them. We are all individuals and need different experiences. Like me, I'm hard of hearing.
Oh, I'm dyslexic.
I'm a planner. Or like me, the family tech support.
So no matter who you are or where you are from, we've got you covered. We will unbox devices for you, dive into the detail with overviews, help teach you how to make your device more accessible, learn features to entertain your kids and you, or even give you tips and shortcuts so you spend more time on what you love. New technology can be intimidating, but you don't need to be a tech expert to get excited or enjoy the benefits of new tech. So, unlock limitless possibilities with us as we explore the exciting side of Microsoft's tech universe and join the journey to see where this era and the next will take us. Welcome to ExpertZone UKI.